Haiti Rise up. The ball is rolling now. The people stand together for victory. From Les Cais to Cap Haïti tonight, every child is dreaming in the light. From Grenadiers to Jacmel by the sea, blue and red are flying proudly free.